Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to print our new products, which is LED photo panel. Okay, the products will come into two parts. The LED holder, which we have a switch here. If you touch it, then you can see inside there is an LED strip. So if you touch it, it will light. And it is chargeable, so you can use a charger and with a USB port to charge it whatever you want. Okay, and the next part is I think all our desktop users might be very familiar with this material, which is sublimation-coated glass. Okay, first I will introduce you about the size. You can see this is my iPhone 14 Pro, and this is the new photo panel. Yes, the size is 17 cm by 15 cm. Okay, so once you, after printing, you put it inside, then it will make the, because it will need you to push it a little bit, then to make sure it will be fixed well. So I will fix it later. Then after printing, you will see how it will be looks like. It will be really nice. Okay, now let me show you how to print. So what you need to prepare is a sublimation photo panel coated with a sublimation coating and printed designed by sublimation paper with sublimation ink and a heat glove to protect you from heating. And very important part is heat resistant tape. Okay, so firstly, you see the sublimation photo panel we had is with full coating at the back. Very nice coating. And the first step is you need to remember that if you do any glass products, you do not need to mirror printing because it is printed at the back. So remember, no mirror printing is needed. This is very, very important because most of the sublimation blanks, when you print, you have to do mirror printing. But for all the glass products, you do not need to use mirror printing, okay? So first, it's very easy and simple. Make sure your substrate to be located in the center of the printed paper and use heat tape to tape it to make sure it will not move during printing. Okay, that's it, few seconds, and then we're ready for press. Now we're ready to print, and today we'll use our new Galaxy press, which is GS804. It's an A3 print size of heat presses. The size is 35 by 42 cm, and it's with slided out function and also our RAM spin and RAM lock system, which means that it is auto and manual, you can switch. Okay, now today we are using auto type to print. Okay, the print temperature will be 180 degrees Celsius and the time is 160 seconds. Okay, it will need a little bit longer for sublimation glass products, which is I think all the desktop users may understand. Okay, so a very important tips is that you need to use a Teflon sheet to put it onto the silicone pad to protect the extra ink. You see, there is an extra ink to get into the silicone pad, because if the ink gets into the silicone pad, it will be really hard to clean it. But if it gets into the Teflon sheet, it will be very easy to clean it. And you will need another Teflon sheet because you can see the paper is a little bit curved because of the heating. So use another Teflon sheet to cover it, and now it's flat, nice and clean. We are ready to print. Okay, close the handle and wait for about 2.5 minutes, and we will see the printing result. Okay, time is up, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, very important is you need to have this heat protective glove. Okay, and let's check it out how it looks like. The printed result. Okay, this looks nice. And it seems that all the color being printed well. Okay, see, wow, it looks really nice. See, and all the corner, let me show you. All the corner prints very well. Okay, and the last is how to install it into this LED base. Okay, as I said, you press, it will have the LED strip inside, it will light. It's very easy actually, just use your hand to push it inside. A little bit hard, and then it's done. See, it's done and very tight, so don't need to worry it will be drop. Okay, and now a finished printed personalized sublimation glass photo panel is ready, and with the LED light, because the light here is too light, so if you put it in dark places, then you will see how it looks like. It's really beautiful. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any tips or any suggestions regarding sublimation blanks, please leave a message underneath. We will get back to you. Thank you.